have a new mobile app coming soon. How long has that been in development?
Well, the idea has been around for a little while now. We've actually been developing it probably about six to 7 months, and we're really excited about the opportunity it gives us to engage constituents in an easy conversational manner and allow them to demystify the process of government services a little bit. And so the app will initially be providing a pathway for folks to receive about 50 different primary state services. Ultimately, it'll grow to probably over 200 digital services, with the ultimate goal being that we expose every digital service that the state of Alaska offers through the mobile app, and that'll take us a little bit of time, but it'll be a good first step with this mobile app, and we're excited about it. We brought some generative AI capabilities to help people engage with it in natural language capability, and I think it's going to be great.
What was the testing process or planning process like for the AI?
So it was pretty comprehensive, and during the process we learned a lot. And so we started working with our partners to build the AI chatbot, and then we exposed it to the applications that we're offering through the mobile app, and just let it learn. And what we were able to determine was that it was a little more work in order to really define and scope it down so that we had a good level of confidence in its answers. But one of the nice aspects of that is we were only exposing it to publicly available information anyway. So we didn't have data concerns. We were really laser focused on accuracy and making sure that it was the most efficient way to get people where they needed to go within kind of the ecosystem of government services. And so the testing process has, honestly, that's been one of the longest threads in the project for getting the mobile app to the market. But I think we're really close. Right now we're in final testing, and it should be available here within just a few weeks.
How does the app fit into the state's overall digital plans?
So we very deliberately didn't want to create anything too new with the mobile app. We just wanted to expose those things that already existed. So it's built around our single sign-on platform, My Alaska, and Alaska residents use that user ID and password and multi-factor authentication to access those services today via a portal. And so we just took that portal functionality and built it into a user-friendly mobile app. So we really, besides the AI chatbot, we didn't introduce any real new capabilities. We just took it from a portal world into a mobile app world. That's kind of phase one. And now we will start over time to introduce increased functionality now that we will have the mobile app out there and available and the infrastructure in place.
Have you learned anything from this project that you'll take into the next one?
Yes, we really learned that the mobile app pathway has a lot more opportunity for making interaction with the government easy than maybe we even anticipated. We have a lot of potential there. We very deliberately tried to limit our scope so that we could get it out and start to learn on that mobile platform, because it's the first statewide mobile application that we've generated. But it's taught us that there's a lot of capability there, and so we'll go through a fairly deliberate process over the course of the next few years to add capability. But I think it's going to be it ultimately may very well be one of the standard ways that people engage with the state.